right? What I tell you, KPIs are, you know, registration rate. How many people registered? How many people showed? One thing we did in the month of July, we did a raffle. I don't know how many of you guys were on that one, right? I don't even know if you call it a raffle, but you had to be there for both days in order to win. And I gave $100 gift card to Amazon. $100 gift card to Amazon if you stayed both days. That helped our, not only did it help the show rate on day 2, it helped the consistency to make sure that they came back. So note, $100 gift card. Because one of the things that we did when we looked at our KPIs from our launch is how many people registered, how many people showed up, how many stayed both days. So if you're doing just a regular webinar, how many stayed until the end? You want to know that because you want to know, where are people dropping off? Because do I need to change my content? Before you change before you change the launch method, you have to look at all of these other KPIs over here. So close rate, based on how many people closed, how many people showed up, how many did I enroll? Well, how did my close go? Did I do a great job? Another thing that really, really helped recently, and now in some of these, were testimonials. So, you have to take all of this in consideration. I didn't use testimonials in February and March. We might have did in March. If it wasn't March, it might have been April. Oh, y'all ain't even tell me I wrote March twice. Man, y'all got me teaching an extra day. Y'all got me writing stuff that ain't supposed to be. But testimonial, right? Testimonials work really, really well. But in February, I didn't have it. Tabitha, when she does her first one, she's not going to have it. You might have a case study that you can use.
So we can use our case studies in, I do have some case studies, so I can use those.
Absolutely.
And they'll probably show up, and they're probably going to show up. So
absolutely.
That's perfect.